What up, where's your girl Camaro Key, aka the Rimlady. And today, I'm gonna give you a little bit of shop life footage. What we do on a regular basis as far as these cars go. What I do. Gonna start off with what we're doing now. Come in, Stitch ended up doing a design for this Pontiac Catalina that we're working on, custom doors. And we do a lot of stuff on the V-Car Pro design. Let me see here. So, as you can see here, let's get the screen flipped around a little bit. As you can see, he has designed it. I've already saved it, and the machine is now cutting. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's loud, so you may not be able to hear me. But yeah, here we go. It's the Catalina. Together real nicely. So we're working on doors. Pieces are being cut. So he's test fitting now. Dre just sanded the door down.
Test fit. Test fit. You trying to put a square in a round hole. Okay, let me get me a pencil. Give me some lapis.
Check out Demi. Nice, we are in the new shop, the compound. Dean over here diligently working. He's wrapping the dash. One of his favorite things to do. Tracing out his pattern. This leather is so soft, but he has to let it soak to get a little bit more scratch out of it. Then we beasting on these dashes now. See, he drawing his line, make sure his stitch gonna be straight. All right, so we'll let him do that. Stay tuned for the Chevelle. This thing coming now. Get ready. Out compressor. Going back to the other side. Here's the doors. He's still cutting over here. Big shop with the rest of the logos that we got, all our sponsors. Currently recording. gonna look like. It'll be in pieces. The top, that's the base. So you'll see the finished product in just a few. Took some half inch wood, spray painted it black, and let it carve. Alright, so now it's time to switch the bit so we can cut it out. So now the bit has been switched. Finished product. Almost. One more step.
One more step.
Came out super dope. Okay, so while the other pieces are drying, came up with a sign. He done had this idea since the weekend, so I wanted to make him a sign. This is what the sign is gonna say. Okay. Okay. So now we're finna save it. I'm gonna save it here. All right, all saved up on this USB. Now it's time to go cut it out. So the sign came out. Y'all can read that, right? It's that sign. I'll show you the other signs. Those are the signs we completed. So I did a JBL, 4 Giotto, and this is our best interior sign. To call us trophy for rides on the market. This is the 9th year that we done sponsored them for best interior. So this will be the trophy. So now, cutting out speaker boxes.
What you showed them?
Everything. Our signs, logos we cut out.
Damn, that thing solvent popped. Don't let it get too hot. Don't do it in direct sunlight. We know that from now on. I just shot a little clear on it.
So next, we're cutting speaker box. JBL speaker box. This is for some 12s. So that's currently cutting out now on the machine. Yeah, pretty busy day. Looking kind of dusty and a lot of wood cutting.